Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Devras Vlogs. This is Archana. Today's video is about the villa we stayed in Nilgiris. I wanted to share my experience with you all regarding this wonderful place we stayed. The villa is called Casablanca, which is located in Adigarati, 12 kilometers from Ooty. I feel this place is aptly named Casablanca as this is so romantic. This place is so peaceful and serene, unlike the commercialized Ooty. This is a place with beautiful valleys, wonderful sunrise, mist covered mountains, chilled weather, fresh air, and a bit of wilderness too. I really don't want to leave this place, but unfortunately, I have a job to do. So I felt the least I could do is to share my experience with you guys about this place.
Zombie.
So this is the house which we have stayed in Ooty, Attigarattai.
Attigarati.
Attigarati. Casablanca. So this is the house. Here we have a couch. Here is the patio and sit out. This is the beautiful view to the valley. And here is a sit out or normally people will put a grill or barbecue here. Coming back into the house, here we have a divan, TV, and outside at the entrance there is a campfire setup. There is another villa which is under construction there outside. Yeah, fire extinguisher, dining hall. They gave a fridge, refrigerator, mixie, and there is a small cupboard where we can keep all the grocery items. Oven, some utensils are there for cooking, and a stove. There are some utensils and cooking items, ladles, spoons, chopping board. There is Oro, and a heater is also there. It's pretty much sufficient for us to cook everything whatever we can do in our normal homes. There is one bathroom here down here. And there are two bedrooms in the top. We have to clean the stairs. Here there are two rooms. This is the first one with a fantastic view. There is an attached bathroom with a heater and everything. This bathroom is very spacious. It's a big shower and all. And there is a small closet for keeping out clothes and all. Look at the view. This is one window. And this is the other one. There is a small balcony over here. Look at the view, how beautiful it is. The valley. It's a balcony and a sit out. They asked us to keep the latches always closed because monkeys may come sometimes. This is one room, and this is another room. This is exactly the same. So this house can accommodate 4 persons and one guest also. So 4 plus 1, 5. So this is also the same view from here. There is no sunlight for the past 8 days here. So this is the connecting balcony to that room and this room. Look at the view. You can enjoy hot coffee in the morning here. Excellent. Here is another window with a view. And here also there is a attached bathroom which comes with a heater, shower and everything. The bathrooms are very big, and also there is a closet for keeping our clothes. I want to say special thanks to Uday, our caretaker, who has been so helpful and caring throughout our stay, and to the owners who were a wonderful host and very accommodative. Double thumbs up for their taste in this wonderful property. I will recommend this place for anyone who likes to enjoy the nature away from commercial stays. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am including the owner's contact information in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.